Seattle Goodwill is your Halloween headquarters for everything eerie.
Here we go.
We caught up with DIY guy Gary Foy for some frighteningly fun looks that won't bust your budget.
What 3 costumes are you thinking of today?
I want to do like a little cute mounted deer head.
Okay.
And then Bob Ross, but I want to update it.
Can't wait to see what that means.
And then something like 80s throwback.
Okay, can we go shopping?
Let's do it. So here we go, gonna get some makeup in there.
Ooh, I'm hooked on this one.
We've got more antlers over here. I like these ones.
Besides makeup, masks, and accessories, you can score more must-have items here. Goodwill is stocked with the perfect clothes to complete your costume.
Get Bob Ross's
shirt. Oh my
shirt.
gosh, you have a ton of Bob Ross possibilities there.
We grabbed a before of our 3 marvelous models, and Gary went to work. Never one to be boring, he added his creative twist to each costume.
So let's do the hair. So Bob Ross always had a nice full head of hair. Yep. Put your glove on. VR Bob Ross definitely needs his VR unit. This is Tambi. She's mounted, but she's adorable. Bam. You gotta have a bow, of course, right? It has to tie into the backdrop. Glasses, future's looking pretty bright here.
Then it was time for the big reveal and to get the deets on these delightful looks. First up, a modern take on a TV classic.
So for Andrew, this is a mashup.
And anything in the future is VR. So Bob Ross is painting in his own painting in virtual reality. So all I did is grab some VR goggles from the sales floor, some new stuff that we carry, some wig, grab this old Simon Says, put some hardware on it, grab this old 80s Nintendo glove, and now he's painting in his painting in the future.
So the cool thing is, if you get a costume at Goodwill, you can do a mashup of old and new.
Yeah, really great deals. This was probably all under 30 bucks.
Next, check out this deer look with a price of just 25 bucks, pun intended.
Gary, what's the name of this costume? What have you done here?
Just adorable deer head. So all we did was, now we carry these antlers new, and I just threw some spray paint on them in our Halloween shop, grabbed some paint from the Halloween shop, printed out this faux wood, cut this out on cardboard, threw in a dress, and now she's a cute little mounted deer.
I love it. And you know what? I'm fawning over this one.
Ooh, she's fawning over this one. You look adorable. High five.
Finally, this ensemble is a blast from the past.
All right, Gary, what have you done here?
I went totally tubular. I created glamour shots, all right? Super easy to do. Wherever she goes, she's a glamour shot. So fun. So I printed this off on the computer, mounted it to the cardboard, threw in all the 80s accessories, which we got here at the Goodwill, of course. Wherever she goes, she's social media ready.
I love it. What do you think, Catherine?
Totally tubular.
Whole look, actually pretty inexpensive on this one. You're probably looking around 25 bucks for all this stuff here.
At Seattle Goodwill, you can find beautiful Halloween gear that's a ghostly good deal. Malia Karlinski, Seattle Refined.